Welcome back. I've got Jason Rising on the chopping block today. It's a great fan film by director James Sweet. And this film is just loaded with great imagery from beginning to end. About to ditch these hoes. You got your hammers laying around. I had to include this. Let me talk about this for a second. This is awesome. Look at the detail in this thing. It's sick. Here's our first shot of Mr. Voorhees waking up. See, the mask looks pretty dirty. And in different lighting, you see even more dirt. This is a different mask, I think. Look at the blood. There's less dirt. Or is this just a trick of the lighting? Getting close and look, that's a cleaner mask. So he comes back to his head collection, and for some reason this black goo starts coming out of his brain hole. And catch that missing chevron here is gouged into the paint. And you can see this mask is heavily glossed. It's got a heavy gloss coat on it. Very detailed. They really nailed his look. It's a perfect blend of the 3 and 4 Jasons, I believe. So now we've gone back to that other mask. Look at the blood. This must have been the stunt mask. It's important to know which you are replicating, because that is a different mask. There's definitely a green filter on this, and it makes the mask look reddish. But I also found this shot of the Shaq mask during an action scene, calling the whole stunt mask theory into question. So maybe James Sweet still has this mask and we can get some up-close shots. I mean, it's not like they threw the mask in the lake. No. Okay, well, we start by drilling the pilot holes. And I like to have the holes done before I go reshaping the mask. You want to paint these. That's a deep scratching. And I taped these off to give us some different looking layers. Normally you'd spray paint over these. And I think this kind of damage gives it more lineage to the Part 4 mask. So I'm just putting acrylics right over top of the masking tape. As you can see, that gives us our nice white layer, but it's too white, so you gotta tone that down. That's looking better. You can see we're getting the blood one streak at a time. And I did use the Shaq scene for reference here. Give it a little spritz. And here's the gloss coat. Quite a few coats.